I've been getting asked this question quite often, just from outside sources and some friends and family. So, if what I use in my trading and my technical analysis works so well, should it be kept a secret to just me, so that way others don't use it and it can become invalidated? And to that I say, I don't think people understand that trading it's an emotional mindset. A winning and profitable trader is much more than just technical analysis in what I show. And it's the reason why top traders can give a level that's very well respected and could be a winning trade. Let's just say any professional top 5% trader, because statistically 95% of people are not profitable in trading. And so let's say any top trader gives a winning level. Let's say we have a guaranteed winning level, and we know this beforehand that this level is going to be great. Well, the 95% of people don't have the emotional mindset to stay in that trade and actually be profitable from it, because the funny thing about this is physically we all trade the same way. It's either the touch of a button or a click of a mouse. 2 times we enter and we exit. Yet what makes it so hard for 95% of people to not win money? Because they don't have their emotions on. So I give what I know, because I know that unless you get your mindset down right, amongst many other things, risk management, just really being a protector of your capital, understanding risk to reward, and 10,000 other things, I can give a level all day long. And if you want to try and counter trade that or trade it with me, best of luck to you. I know I will, with ice in my veins. I'll make a plan and I'll trade my plan. And until you get that emotional mindset down, I highly recommend Mark Douglas. So you can either read the book. I prefer the audiobook. It's called Trading in the Zone. It really, I've listened to it 4 times now, about 8 hours each. It's probably been paid the most dividends for my trading career. So like I said, there's no fear in me giving what I know, because I'm going to be profitable either way. So, and those traders out there who are afraid to show what they know, guess what? They want you to make you pay for them. Those guys don't make money trading, unfortunately. Contrary to what people believe. Those guys making you pay for their knowledge and information, guess what? You are their income, not trading. It's the exact opposite with me. I never ask you for a dime. I make my own money, baby. Loving it. Trading with Tyler out.